What's going on, everyone? Today we're making some delicious banana bread, so let's get right into the video. Okay, now we add 2 cups of flour into the bowl. There we go. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we mix. And now we're going to be smashing 3 bananas into this bowl. There we go. Some delicious bananas. We've got 1, and then 2, almost 2. There we go. And there we go. 3 bananas. We're going to smash them up, and it's going to be a delicious. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and 2 eggs. This is nasty. Ew. Ew. Oh, this is the nasty part, guys. Ew. There we go. Just gotta. I don't know. We're gonna get showers in here. Oh no. Gotta put it in here first. Ew, this is nasty. Ooh. Ew, this is nasty. All right. And then add 2 eggs. After you touch raw eggs, guys, wash your fucking hands. No one wants no like slime everywhere. Like, guys, that's so nasty. Like, that's how you get that COVID. Like, that's how you start the next pandemic. Like, you're gonna get salmonella poisoning. Like, so nasty, so gross. Wash your fucking hands, guys. I can't. And then mix it. All this goodness into some flour. There we go. Alright, then we're going to mix it up. Alright, now after it's all mixed, put it in a greased pan. There we go. Ooh. Some flour though. Oh. Gotta get all the flour though. Someone was not gonna mix it. Yeah. And now I bake it for 60 minutes at 350. And the banana bread is ready. Let's taste it. Some good stuff. Some delicious banana bread. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.